Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function filter. Hi, Python enthusiasts. Today we're exploring the filter function, a powerful tool for processing and extracting specific elements from a collection. By the end of this video, you'll know how it works, when to use it, and how to integrate it into your Python project. Let's get started. First, what is filter? The filter function applies a function to each item in an iterable and returns an iterator containing only the items for which the function returns, true. Here's the syntax. The function argument provides a function that returns true or false for each item in the iterable. The iterable argument, you need to provide a collection such as a list, tuple, or string that needs to be filtered. If function is none, filter returns only the items that are true in a Boolean context. Why use filter? It's perfect for situations where you want to extract specific elements from a collection. Let's highlight some key concepts. The filter function returns an iterator, which is memory efficient for large data sets. It works seamlessly with any iterable, and you can use lambda functions, predefined functions, or none for the function argument. You'd use the filter function when you want to extract elements based on specific criteria. You're working with large data sets and need an efficient way to filter elements. You prefer a functional programming style over traditional loops. Let's start with a simple example, filtering even numbers from a list. Here, the filter function uses a lambda function to check if each number is divisible by 2. The result is an iterator of even numbers. Filter is not just for numbers, it works with an iterable. Let's filter a list of strings. This example filters out strings that contain the letter A, leaving only matching items. You can use none as the function argument to filter out falsy values such as 0, none, or empty strings. In this case, filter removes all falsy values and keeps only the truthy ones. You can also pass a predefined function instead of a lambda. Let's see how. Here, the isPositive function checks if each number is greater than 0, and filter applies it to the list. Before we wrap up, here are a few important notes. The filter function returns an iterator, so you'll need to convert it to a list or another collection to view the results. If no items match the criteria, the iterator will be empty. It's a great alternative to list comprehensions when filtering large data sets. And that's the filter function. To recap, it applies a function to filter elements from an iterable. It's efficient and works with any iterable, including strings and tuples. It's perfect for functional style programming and processing large data sets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!